Back to Ramanujan B classes. Today we shall do BPT theorem, the chapter 6, basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem. Now I will give some idea about Thales. Thales was guru of Pythagoras. Pythagoras, is a very famous mathematician, and Thales has been his guru. So he gave us a theorem, that is BPT theorem or Thales theorem. What is Thales theorem? So in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, this is the line parallel to one side of triangle intersecting two sides at two distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. So how will you do it? First of all, you write given triangle ABC in which L is parallel to BC. What we are supposed to prove? This ratio AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. In order to prove this one, we need to do some construction. So what we do? Construction, join B to E and C to D. So you write join B to E and C to D. You have joined this one. From D point, draw a perpendicular. This is DF. DF perpendicular. DF is perpendicular on side AC. And from E point, draw a perpendicular EG. You write EG is perpendicular on AB. Like this, you have to draw perpendiculars and join this. Why? In order to prove a theorem, we need to do some comparisons. After doing comparisons, we find out something, we interpret the question. So what is important? Interpretation is very much important. Next step becomes proof. Proof AD is there. We are supposed to prove this one, AD. AD is the part of triangle ADE. We write area triangle ADE upon DB. DB is part of triangle DBE. Area triangle DBE. You know the very basic idea about area of a triangle. Half into base. Base is AD. What is perpendicular over here? GE. GE becomes your perpendicular. Same way, what is base of this triangle? DB. DB or BD, whatever the. Now perpendicular. Now switch over to the perpendicular on this base. DB. See, this GE same will be considered perpendicular because this base has been produced to G. This one cancel, this one cancel. So this is your first part. This is your first part. In order to prove this AE is part of triangle AED. You write area triangle AED upon EC, area of triangle ECD. What do you write? Half into base. What is base? AE is a base. What is perpendicular over here? Base into height. DF is acting as height of this triangle. 1 by 2. This is your base. EC. EC into DF. DF cancel. This one cancel. This becomes your equation number second. Equation number second. After doing this, what we do? From first and second. What we deduce? You write AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now why? Because ADE as well as AED both are one and the same thing. This triangle as well as this triangle, DBE and ECD, DBE and ECD, both triangles are on same base and between same parallels. This property you have studied in 9th class that we are applying over here. So what do you write? Area triangle, within bracket you have to mention the region. Area triangle DBE is equal to area triangle ECD. Area triangle DBE is equal to area triangle ECD. Why? We are supposed to quote the region. Triangles lie between same base, same parallels. Both triangles are lying on the same base between same parallel. How? See, this is the triangle DBE. and DEC. Both triangles are on the same base. The base is DE and both lie between the same parallel. How? D is parallel to BC. From these two, you can say that therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Hence proved. This is the result of basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, so that you can understand this very well. Okay, I think this is clear to you. We shall apply in the next video. Thank you.